Bulk carrier grounding, Delaware River. Bulk carrier Strategic Explorer reportedly ran aground on Delaware River at Wilmington, USA at around 1900 Jan 21, probably earlier. The ship seems to be anchored after unmooring at Wilmington, since Jan 17. Refloated according to AIS, with the help of at least 2 tugs, at around 0600 at Jan 22. Bulk carrier Strategic Explorer, IMO 9,723,708, DWT 39,880, built 2014, flag Singapore, manager MTM Ship Management Singapore, EQUASIS.